Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group powered by eXp Realty, and today we're at our latest listing in Phoenix, Arizona. Today we're at 2174 West Sharon Avenue in Phoenix, Arizona. Now before we head into this beautiful 4-bedroom house, let's go over what the community has to offer. When selling a home, one of the most important features to a buyer is the location, and this home clearly has it. It is located right off the I-17 within a mile, so it's conveniently located to an interstate. It's also about 20 to 30 minutes from the airport. The ballparks are within 20-30 minutes as well, so if you want to go see the Suns or the Diamondbacks, you're a short drive away. As far as shopping is concerned, you have all the ones that you'd expect to have. Your Fry's, your Safeway, your Albertsons, and even your Costco are all within anywhere from a mile to 5 miles away. As far as if you would like to do some remodeling on the home or add your own personal touch, the Home Depot, less than a mile away. Now for you music lovers out there or somebody that needs something to binge watch on TV, you got a Zia Records within a half a mile of the house. I personally have spent a lot of time there just browsing and giving them all my money. So it's a great place for you to go spend your money as well, and it's conveniently located. Now if you're looking for restaurants, we have that as well. Any fast food place or mom and pop place you can think of, including Jamba Juice, Wendy's, Barro's Pizza, all within a half a mile of the home. When this home was built in 1971, Maggie May by Rod Stewart was on the top of the charts, and I was born. A lot of great things happened in 1971, but a lot of things needed to change over the years, and thankfully, this house has done all that. It has been completely remodeled. Sharon Avenue is 2,211 square feet. It is a single-story home with a 2-car garage. It features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a family room, and a living room, as well as a formal dining room. The master bedroom is large. It is a true master bedroom. It also features 2 closets, so you can divide and conquer with 2 different places to store your clothes. The bathroom has been completely remodeled, does feature double sinks as well as a walk-in shower. The kitchen has also been completely remodeled with brand new cabinets and appliances. So it's ready to go for the next owner. There's simply nothing for you to do there. They did also raise the ceilings in there. Back when the home was built, the ceilings did sit a little bit lower, but they had it contracted out, had it all smooth, all higher. It just gives the kitchen a grander look. And it does overlook the family room, which gives away the one thing that's still from the 70s that I absolutely love, the wood-burning fireplace. All right, we're gonna break down the backyard into thirds, and the best way to break down the first section we're gonna talk to is have me walk and talk. So on this side of the yard, you have an RV gate. As you can see, you can fit a full RV on this side of the yard. Also, in front of it, there's plenty of storage. They have a RZR as well as a trailer on this side. So it really shows you the amount of space over here, along with the poured slab for the RV, or you could even build a secondary shed there. And for you Tesla owners or electric car owners, the other cool feature on this is that it is 240. So if you want to charge your electric vehicle, it's already set up for you to do that. All right, now we're in section 2, and I'm gonna have the videographer pan around and show you everything that's going on here. It's a huge section. You've got your beautiful shade tree here, as well as fruit trees behind me. And they even got these swings set up on here, which is kind of cool. And then if you go over this way, as you can see, you have plenty of covered patio to entertain, to have your grill out here. Again, great section of the yard, plenty of room to entertain. Even if you wanted to drop a pool in, you do have the space to do it. All right, third and final section. Again, I'm gonna walk and talk. As you can see behind me is a storage shed with power running. And then you go over to this side here, you do have additional fruit trees. As you can see, the house has gas hookup. So for you people that like to cook like me, you can run the gas so you can have a gas cooktop. And also the big surprise on this house, the one thing you never see, you have another RV gate over here. So you have double RVs in this property, storage on both sides of the house. I rarely run across this feature. Pretty excited that we have it on this one. If you'd like to schedule a showing on this home, I make it super simple for you. You can call me at 602-763-8106 or go to my website, kevinbelzer.com. Until next time, bye.